Hi everyone, this is Seicane Car Radio. Let's demonstrate the function. Let's test the double flash first. Then test the steering wheel control. You can see that there is no problem. Support synchronous display of car air conditioner and the radio. Screen can also operate the air conditioner. Support the original car reversing image. The large screen display is clearer and safer. Support DSP sound adjustment. Find the sound quality that suits you. Now let's connect wireless CarPlay. You can voice control, make calls, listen to music, use online map navigation, etc. If your mobile phone is an Android version, it also supports wireless Android Auto, and you can also use similar functions such as CarPlay. This is its radio settings and configuration information. There are more regional car settings waiting for you to experience. Thank you for watching.